Welcome students. In this video we're going to look at an equation of tangent line of f of x equals e to the phi x at the point 2 comma e to the 10. So in this case we're gonna use exponential differentiation to find the slope of such line, and we're gonna use the point slope formula to find such to include that slope in this point. So the first step is to find the derivative of the function. So f prime of x is equal to derivative of phi to the x is just phi, so phi gets multiplied times e to the phi x. That is the first step. So that's the first step. The second step is to plug in 2, because we're gonna find the slope at that point. So the slope is gonna be phi e phi times 2. That's gonna equal to phi e 10. The final step is to plug in what we found, which is the slope and the point that we were given. So we're gonna use the point slope. Okay, so y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Then we do y minus y1 is e to the 10 is equal to phi e to the 10 x minus x1, which is 2. We can leave it like that, or we can turn it into point slope form. Sometimes you might be asked to do that, so we transfer e to the 10 to the other side. So it will be y is equal to, we distribute this, so that will be phi e to the 10 times x minus 2 times 5, that's 10, so that would be 10 e to the 10, and then we move this to the other side, so that would be plus e to the 10. Now the final step to combine these two, so that would be equal to phi e to the 10 x minus plus, that would be minus 9 e to the 10. So that's the final form. This is slope intercept form, and this is point slope. Thank you very much, students.